The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern LaFleur County and southeastern Oklahoma until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:01 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Muse, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Muse, Big Cedar. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.